So specifically today, what's got us hung up is just the one nut on the front right corner of the cylinder there, and pulling the clutch hub off. So decided to call her a day and build a list, just getting the garage set up. Things are coming together nicely. Going to continue on with the videos. This is just the first one. Let you know kind of where we're at, give you a baseline as we come together. We're going to rebuild this engine. I'm going to bring the shop together, the space at home, and put the tooling, get some toolboxes, and we can kind of go through that, what you should have, what you don't really need. I've got everything. I've had my own motorcycle shop, so I had all the tools that you would need to run the shop, and then I've downscaled to what you need to kind of maintain what you've got for yourself, depending on what level you want to do. So after a lot of years in the industry, I've got some insight for that for you, and I'd like to share that. So if you want to hit the subscribe button, I'm going to be updating regularly with engine rebuild, shop information, different tips and tricks, things that have worked for me over the years. So hopefully that's of interest to you. I'm Jeff the Cracker Jack Mechanic. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check back, hit the subscribe button. It'd mean the world to me if you did, because then I can get more videos out to you.